In the previous video, you learned about the at after and at before advice, and in this video you will learn about the at after returning. We have the at after like this, after, and we also have the at after returning. The difference between the at after and the at after returning is that this will execute even after if the method that we are looking for, even if the method does not return successfully, that is, even if the method throws an exception. But for this after returning, it will only work if the method successfully executed without throwing an exception. Okay, so let's work on this. At after returning, here it is, and let's have this. We set this as value, that is our point Q1, our point code, and we also need to have the returning. We call this return value. Okay, let's have an object here and name this return value as well. Okay, so I will set write the method executed successfully a return that is plus return value. Okay, you can see the power of the Spring AOP. It will get access to the return value. Okay, so here let's name this monitor execution success. Let's name the method monitor execution success. The method executed successfully a return. Here we have the return value. Okay, so let's try to run this. Okay, you can see we have the method executed successfully and return saved successfully, and that is what the method is returning inside the user service. It is returning saved successfully. So what if we have that is exception? It throws an exception. So let's have a condition and set if the user equal to null, then we throw the illegal argument exception. Throw illegal argument exception. Sorry, we need a new here, new illegal argument exception. So let's save these changes. Go to the app. In the app, okay, here is the app. Let's pass null instead of the user. Okay, so let's save and print this. Okay, you can see it throws an exception and we have no message. There is no any message from our interceptor method, but once we pass the user here, we can see the method. That means that it only executes when it is successful, when the method does not throw an exception. You can see save successfully. Okay, that is the returning after returning advice. See you in the next video.